you found some cool stuff. Sebastian. It's hard, isn't it? Quick intro to today's video. My name is Bibi if you are new here, and thank you so much for clicking on my video and watching my video. If you do enjoy it, please remember to comment, like, all that good stuff. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys with everything. And if you do enjoy it, stick around. Maybe you'll enjoy this Vlogtober if, fingers crossed, I make it through to the entire month. I'm doing things different this year, so I'm trying to put the clips all together of what the days consist of, or if I see something that's relative to kind of fall inspired. So September we went to Hub's Farm, which is included. We went to the little gym and had a couple of little activities there. Sebastian trying to learn to ride a bike, us being on the porch, just being ourselves. So that's what's included in this video, and I'm trying to get this whole Vlogtober thing situated. Just bear with me. I'm trying to get it to where it makes sense and it's relevant. With all of that being said, enjoy the video. Hi Orlando! Hi baby! Hi Orlando! Alright, move it. You're supposed to move it. Alright, move it gentle. Move it gentle so that all the sand... Wow, you found some cool stuff. Whoa, that's a pretty one. It looks crystal clear.
I found one clear! This is clear. There's tiny, so many tiny.
Don't lose it. Don't lose it.
I found one clear.
You did, and it's got a little bit of purple in there. Look at, it's got a little bit of purple.
I'm gonna do it again. Well, look at this one. This one has white, blue, and black.
Looks like a dragon color.
Mommy, I think that's as much as I got.
I think so. That's awesome.
Because when I shake it more, the little ones go out.
Well, now you can get a little bag. Did they give you a little bag to put it in?
No.
And you do it again. Whoa! You stopped? What happened? Hold on. You turned it too fast. This, you don't have to turn it that hard. You turn it super easy. You got it. You got it, Sebastian. Nice. You guys, it's kind of hard, isn't it? Orlando. You did really good. It's just because the bike is a little heavy, buddy. You're getting getting the hang of it though. You did really good. You pedaled like 3 times really hard. Look at these two. We're about to go pick up Sebastian from school. We're getting the keys, locking it up. You guys ready to go pick up Sebastian from school? You gonna go pick up Sebastian? You gonna go drive? You driving? You're gonna go to the car wash. You wanna go to the car wash today?
Car wash.
Okay. I'm trying to separate all these toys. It has them all clustered together. Wow, I think you have them upside down. You might want to fix them. They're upside down. You want me to help you? You want me to put them on you? Wow, fancy, fancy baby. Very cool. Alright, so I still have to, I just cleaned this up. I washed those beddings and I need to get this in check. But I need to have the leaf blower. I need to leaf blow this stuff. We've got to get our porch pressure washed. It's just looking sad. Hey, mister.
Yeah.
What are you thinking? Hey, you want to get the rest of those stickers out and we can put them up? I think Mocha wants to go inside. Oh my gosh. Hey, did you go? I think you did. I'm currently reading and I don't have a bookmark, so somebody took the page. So this is what I usually do. I take this piece and I hold my page with it and then I just shut the book like this because then it's like a bookmark. But somebody decided to just pull it out. So now I don't have a bookmark and I cannot remember what page I was on. So I'm having to skim through to try to find which one.
Mommy.
Yeah?
If you have no internet, there's no game you can play.
If what?
If you have no internet, there's a game that you can still play.
Oh, so no Wi-Fi needed?
Yeah.
And what game is it?
It's on Google. You try to tap something, it won't work. There's a dinosaur that you have to click to jump over cactuses.
We should get it so that way whenever you're like, I'm bored, can you share internet with me?
It's not fun. I laughed like a laugh time.
I see that. Can I see your shirt? Skateboarding? Skeleton?
Yeah. And
Oh, I think Orlando's hugging you.
and it's squeaking.
Where is he taking you? What is happening here? Oh, wow, you gotta pick up your toys. That way you have more room to ride. Good job, baby. You turned it on. You want to turn it off? Nice. Stop, Sebastian. Stop. That's okay. You got the chance to do it.
Be careful.
Remember
buddy.
when you couldn't
Be
reach
careful.
it, Sebastian? Remember when you couldn't reach the light switch? And then one day you woke up and you could reach it.
You cut it on, baby. Hey, buddy, can you,
baby.
Orlando, can you give me the remote?
ate the skeleton.
I see, I understand that. So it is the 2nd of October. It's 8 o'clock. We're about to finish the day off with the movie that Sebastian picked, which is The Nightmare Before Christmas. Sorry, the side of my camera is really foggy because that's where my face goes when I talk.
Hey guys.
Vlogtober day 2. So I'm editing this video right now. Again, the camera's messy and foggy. And I wanted to cut out the part where I talk about Vlogtober day 2. But I can't because then the video makes no sense because it goes back to the same video. Don't make crazy faces because then I'm going to have to redo this all over again.
Okay.
So it was October 2nd during that time. So it was actually October 2nd, but the vlog, it's like in there, in the middle. What I'm doing is taking all the videos one particular day and then splitting them up. That way I don't have to cinch in and squeeze all of the day in one 15-minute video and struggle. I legit sent this little person inside so that he wouldn't be making faces, and now he's making faces through the window. My life is crazy right now, but I will continue this video on of all the little activities that we're doing. We're ending it here. Vlogtober day 2. Don't know what today consists of, but it consisted of something. Alright, it's time to watch this movie and then it's time for bed.
Trying to make you laugh. The picture will probably be better.
It will bite.